In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails with Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're reaching out to clients, managing a campaign, or simply keeping in touch with a large group, Outlook provides a solid platform for sending bulk emails efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Outlook login page. You can do this by searching for Microsoft 365 Outlook login in your preferred web browser or by typing the URL directly if you have it handy. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that and make sure you have your credentials ready to go. After entering your credentials, you'll be brought to the Outlook homepage. This is where all the magic happens and you'll start setting up your bulk email. On the Outlook homepage, look for a button that says New Mail. This is generally found towards the top or center of the screen, depending on your version or customization. Clicking New Mail will open a fresh email draft where you can compose your message. Now, you might wonder how to handle mass emails efficiently. Here, Outlook has an option at your disposal to facilitate this process. Start Mail Merge. But first, let's click on Options within the New Mail window. It's usually located within the menu bar. Clicking on Options will give you additional tools and settings to tweak your email. After clicking on Options, look for the Start Mail Merge button. This feature is invaluable for sending personalized emails to a large group of recipients. It allows you to combine the main content of your email with recipient-specific details, creating a more personalized experience for each person on your list. In addition to making your emails feel more personal, it can significantly enhance their effectiveness. If you've never used Mail Merge before, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. You'll be prompted to upload or select a list of contacts. This can often be done by choosing a CSV or spreadsheet file with email addresses. Make sure your file is correctly formatted. Typically, this would mean having clearly defined columns for names, email addresses, and any other personalized details you wish to include. An effective mail merge not only places reduced pressure on you individually composing emails, but also ensures the message is more impactful. Once configured, you're ready to finalize your email's content. Craft a compelling subject line, something that piques interest or conveys urgency. As you type your message, reference placeholders that correspond to your contact list fields, ensuring each email is populated with the correct personalized details when sent. Once you're confident everything looks great, it's time to hit send. Outlook will handle dispatching each individual email by populating the content with the specifics drawn from your contact list, sending personalized emails to each recipient efficiently and seamlessly. And that's it. Sending bulk emails via Microsoft Outlook is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and mastering this can truly enhance your communications. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy emailing!